Good morning, students. I'm Kiran Bajpayee. Today I'm teaching the class 7 new chapter. This is 6 point chapter 6. This is a triangle and its property. Okay. Previous classes I taught the chapter 5. Today I'm explaining about the chapter number 6. First things, the triangle. Okay. Suppose one triangle. This is called a triangle. Three sides. This triangle A, B, C. Here the three sides. Name the sides. This is the AB. The sides are which one? Side is AB, and then BC, then AC. Is the three sides. Okay, we get the three sides, and three angles will be there. Name the angles. Angles are, if you write this one, BAC. Angle BAC. That means this one ABC. Angle ABC you can write. This angle ACB. Angle ACB. We get the three angles and three vertex. This is vertex are A. This is the vertex B, vertex C. In triangle we get the three side on a three angles and three vertex. Next, if any triangles, okay, the base midpoint. If you join the ABC, this D, the bisect the base is equal. The AD is called the median. What is called? Median. This is called the median. Okay. Median always be in the bisect the base. What is altitude? Suppose this triangle. If you draw the one perpendicular line, this is called the altitude. Okay. This is called the altitude. This is the altitude. Always you have to write the mention this one. Suppose ABC, AD, the AD is altitude of BC. This is called altitude, and median is the middle of base will be there. Next question: if any triangles, we know that the sum of the interior angle, sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. This. Okay, this angle, totally how much? One always be 180 degree. Any triangle, so like this also, this type also. Any triangle, sum of this one is 180 degree. One thing more about it. If any triangle, if you extend suppose A, B, C, this is extended D up to, this is called the exterior angle. Okay, this is called the interior angle. So what is the condition? Sum of interior angle, this exterior angle goes to right, exterior angle equal to sum of interior angle. It is given in book here. Okay, from these formulas you have to do the math. This exercise. Now see here, you have to fill the blanks. This is PQ. What is called the PM? PM is the altitude, and this was the PD. PD is called the median, because by QR, D is the midpoint of this one, so PD is the median. You have to complete this one. This is 6.1. Now 6.2. You see there's so many examples with here. 6.2. I'll do it one math. Here given like this math. This is 50 degree. This is 70. This is exterior X. So find the value of X. How to find out? I name them A, B, C, D. Okay, you can write directly angle X equals to angle A plus angle B. This also angle B, and you have to write the region. Exterior EXT, write exterior angle equal to sum of opposite int angles. you must be write the reasons. Now x equals to, we get angle x equals to 50 plus angle A is 50, angle B is 70, that x equal to get 120 degree. Similarly, one sum will be there. This is one. Here number 2, one will be there. See this one. Okay, this is given like this. Exterior is given 1 and 5. One is x, one is 50. How to do? Same process. Right now name them A, B, C, D. This is your exterior angle. This is interior angle. We know that the exterior angle is the sum of opposite interior angle. You have to write the x plus 50 equals to 115. Write the reason. Exterior angle equal to sum of opposite interior angle. Now have to solve it. How to solve it? X equals to 115, 50 take this side, then minus 50, x equals to 115 minus 50, 5, 6, that means 65. Your answer is 65. So you have to complete the exercise 6.2, 1, 2. Okay, this must all be the same process, just one formula, exterior angle equals to sum of opposite interior angles. Okay.